Stop! Before you spend another dollar on tutoring, listen to this shocking truth about private classes. Every weekend, millions of kids sit in tutoring centers. But are they actually getting smarter? Your neighbor's kid goes to 3 different tutoring classes. Your friend spends $500 monthly on math lessons. Here's what the tutoring industry doesn't want you to know. Half of these kids aren't improving. Some are getting worse grades. Others are becoming lazy and can't think for themselves anymore. But wait, some children really do need extra help. The question is, when and how? Stay with me for 15 minutes. I'll show you the truth about tutoring and smart solutions. Let me tell you about Emma first. She failed math for 2 years in regular school. Her teacher had 30 students. Emma was too shy to ask questions during class time. At Tutoring Center, Emma got personal attention. The teacher explained things slowly and patiently every day. Emma's math grades jumped from F to B+ in just 6 months. She finally understood basic concepts. Now Emma loves math and wants to study engineering. Tutoring literally changed her entire future completely. Tom struggled with English writing skills. His essays were messy and grammar was terrible always. The tutoring teacher taught him step by step. Tom learned to organize thoughts and write clearly. His school teacher noticed the improvement immediately. Tom's confidence grew, and writing became much easier. Sarah wanted to learn advanced science topics. Her school only taught basic-level material every year. Tutoring helped her explore chemistry deeply. Sarah won the science fair and got university scholarship. Good tutoring gives personal attention always. Teachers can find exactly what each student needs most. Class sizes are smaller than school. Students can ask questions without feeling embarrassed or stupid. Some tutoring centers use modern technology. Interactive learning makes difficult subjects more fun and engaging. But here's the scary truth nobody talks about. Many kids become addicted to tutoring help. Meet Jake. He can't do homework without his tutor. Jake panics when he's alone with schoolwork. His parents spent $10,000 last year. Jake's grades are good, but he can't think independently anymore. Lisa goes to tutoring every day. She has no time for friends, sports, or just being a kid. Lisa looks tired always and cries often. Her childhood is disappearing because of endless studying pressure. Many tutoring centers use fear tactics. They tell parents your child will fail without our help. Some tutors teach different methods than school. This confuses students and makes everything much harder. Mark's tutor taught shortcuts for tests. Mark got good grades but didn't understand the real concepts. When Mark reached higher grades, everything collapsed. He couldn't handle advanced work at all suddenly. Low-quality tutoring centers hire unqualified teachers. Some are just college students without real teaching experience. These tutors don't understand child psychology. They push too hard and kill students' natural curiosity. Tutoring costs are getting crazy expensive. Average families spend $3,000 yearly on extra classes now. Some families borrow money for tutoring. They sacrifice family vacations and important things for lessons. Rich families can afford better tutors. Poor families fall behind, making education unfair for everyone. This creates a vicious cycle constantly. Students feel they must have tutoring to compete successfully. Amy's family spent their savings on tutoring. They couldn't afford Amy's school trip or new clothes. Amy felt guilty and pressured always. The stress made her grades worse, not better than before. Here's how to make tutoring work for your family. First, identify the real problem clearly. Is your child struggling with one subject? Do they need confidence building? Or advanced challenge work? Don't use tutoring as babysitting service. Your child needs time to play and rest every single day. Choose tutors who teach thinking skills. Avoid those who just give answers or do homework. Set clear goals and time limits. We'll try tutoring for 3 months, then evaluate the results. Jenny's parents tried this approach successfully. They found Jenny needed help with study skills, not content. After learning organization methods, Jenny improved without expensive subject tutoring at all. Look for group classes first, always. They cost less and provide social interaction with other children. Online tutoring can be effective too. It saves travel time and often costs much less money. Consider peer tutoring programs at school. Older students help younger ones, building community and confidence. Don't start tutoring if your child is already stressed. More pressure will make everything much worse. Avoid tutoring for very young children. Play and exploration are more important than academic pressure. Skip tutoring if it's just for competition. Childhood shouldn't be about beating other kids constantly. If your child hates tutoring, stop immediately. Forced learning creates negative associations with education forever. Trust your instincts as a parent. You know your child better than any tutoring center salesperson. Remember that childhood should be joyful. Academic success means nothing without happiness and mental health. Encourage your child's natural interests first. A love of learning is worth more than perfect grades. Spend time with your child yourself. Read together, explore nature, ask questions about their day. Your attention and support matter more. No tutor can replace a caring, involved parent in life. Tutoring can help some children sometimes, but it's not magic and it's definitely not always necessary. Before you sign up, ask yourself, what does my child really need right now for happiness? Maybe it's confidence, maybe challenge, maybe just more sleep and playtime with friends outside. Don't let fear drive your decisions. Your child is unique, and their path should be too. Good education comes from many sources: school, family, friends, books, nature, and yes, sometimes tutoring. The goal is raising happy, curious, independent thinkers. Keep that goal in mind when making choices. Thank you for listening to today's show. Next week, we'll discuss how to choose the right school. Remember, you're already doing great things. Trust yourself, trust your child, and keep learning together.